Is your steering wheel misaligned and coming off, and is it spooky? Let me show you how to fix. Are you the one moving my steering wheel around? So on the Ram 2500 6.4, aligning your steering wheel is pretty easy. You loosen these jam nuts and you just turn this. Moving it forward moves it that way, moving it backward moves it that way. Now, part of the problem is these jam bolts shake loose pretty easily. So there's a recall out right now where they'll align your steering wheel and then they'll tighten these jam bolts up. The other way, right? That way. And once they're all nice and tight, they'll weld them in place. So in future, if you want to adjust your steering wheel, you gotta, grind off the welds in order to adjust your steering wheel again. So I'll walk through this very simple process of aligning it. The tools that you'll need will be a pair of wrenches big enough to get around the jam bolts and the adjuster. Nice to have is a spotter and a level. This is my spotter. My spotter is in place. Got the level on. You see it's just a little bit off there. I already adjusted it some. I want that bubble right in the middle. So I'm gonna go under the truck, move the adjustment, and she's gonna yell when it's perfect. Ready to yell?
Yep.
Let me hear you practice yell.
Hey.
Or stop.
Stop.
So now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn. It's already loose from the road vibrations. I can loosen these guys. My spotter's gonna yell at me. Is the right way?
Yeah, just go a little bit more the other way.
Say when. Too much?
No, you haven't moved it that much.
Okay.
Wait, that's good right there. Wait.
Go back.
No, I think that's good. Wait, go.
That way.
Stop.
We get
The other way is a tad bit.
there.
A little bit more. A little bit more. That's good.
Right there.
A little bit more the other way. Just a tiny bit.
How's that?
That's good.
Good there?
Yeah.
All right, and then I'm going to tighten this all the way down. Tighten that all the way down. Now that I got it where I want it, I'm just going to take my wrenches and tighten these down as tight as I can physically make them. You can even see where there's like a line there. And a line before. And then from there, now there are other solutions to this, but this is a nice temporary one. I'll talk about them in a minute. The solution that Dodge offers that's not bolt welding these into place is just replacing the bar. You see how the bar just runs from there to there. And it's a simple job. You remove that bolt, and replace this whole bar. They have one that has like aftermarket ones that don't have this mechanism. They have a different one. What I would like to see, maybe I can make it, is like a piece of metal that like latches onto this and latches onto this. It just holds them in place. Something like a sleeve. But I got these on really tight with my wrenches, so see how long it holds.